Good morning, everyone. This is Sherry Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I am going to be doing this bunny. I found him on Facebook Messenger. I do not remember his name though. So I'm going to be doing that today on my nails. I've got my pinky, my index, and my thumb done. We are going to be doing the ring and middle finger today. I'm going to be using What Am I? I Am Amethyst by OPI. And Pink Forever by Sinful. This manicure is really simple and easy to do. I'm going to be doing it this way. Take your brush, make just like a little half circle. Let that dry. I'm going to move on to my next color. Give these all a minute to dry in between so I can put the eyes on. For the ears, I want you to take and wipe the front and the back of the polish brush off. Use the sides to make his ears. I'm not sure how well you can see that in the light. Sure, with the pink you'll be able to see it a lot better, so let me get that and do his ears. There, and there are his ears. For the black, I'm going to be using my striping brush in black from LA Colors Art Deco. I found it at the Dollar Tree. With this, you want to make sure you wipe the neck of the brush off really good, and the brush itself, because if not, it's going to flood your brush out. You just take the tip of the brush and let the brush work for you, and draw a little slash for his eyes. Same thing for the other one. This bunny is like super easy. Whoops. Oh. We have a boo-boo, friends. There we go. And there we go. Now, me personally, okay, you could leave it like this and put your top coat on. But I like to put a little bit of white in the ears. So for that, I've got my white striping from the Dollar Tree by LA Colors. Remember to wipe the neck of the polish handle. I'm talking about the plastic piece here. Wipe that off good, and the neck of your brush. And the tip of your brush too. So take this, just put a little bit of white in the ears. I think it makes it look really cute. I'm going to do this on both bunnies. The lavender, it may not show up as well. But whatever colors you use for your bunnies is up to you. Make sure to put your caps on tight. For this mani, I did put on my base coat. I have one coat of white on, which is by Wet n Wild. My fast drying top coat is by Seche Vite. So I'm going to take that, wipe one side of the brush off, make sure you have a nice beaded polish on it because this is still a little bit wet. And there you go. Cap the end of your nail. With this, you could use, I put the top coat over the whole entire nail. I guess you could only do the bunny design itself, but I like the whole nail to have some protection. And there we go. We have our bunny manicure. I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. And oh, yes, and the bell. Don't forget to click the bell so you're notified of all future videos. Have a blessed day. Thank you.